Okay, guys, that the trend trading strategy is still one of the best trading strategy which you can apply whenever you are trading. This will help you to have profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, we will be checking this out right here in this video. We'll check out how we made use of this to milk the market yesterday, and we got amazing results right there in the Telegram channel. Okay, I'm so excited because we made some good trading activities yesterday that led to a good profit for each and every one of us. So if you want to know how I'm able to get that signal, kindly watch this video to the end because I'm going to reveal everything to you right here in this video so that you too can also do the same thing right from your end. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, please drop your question down there in the comment section, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So we will be checking out this asset called GainX 1200, but that is after we have checked out this particular asset which we traded yesterday. We actually traded this asset yesterday, and it is called PenX 999. If you are in the Telegram channel, you can go ahead and check it out. Okay. If you are not there, you can also join so that you can see the details of the signal. Okay, we got the signal when it was on buy trend. Like I've always been telling you, okay, this was selling before and it got to this support zone. I had to wait for it to see if it would be able to break out from there. It was unable to break out from there. So I did my analysis because this has actually changed from downtrend into an uptrend. The colors have changed already on the indicator, okay, from red to yellow, okay, and of course it has given me buy signal several times, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay. So we gave you guys an entry point and a stop loss, okay, and of course guys, it got to TP1, TP2 and TP3 in the night. Okay, that's so amazing. So we made we were able to achieve all the TPs yesterday just because we applied this same strategy. Just because we apply the same strategy, which is the trend trading strategy. And in the night, it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above this resistance zone. And of course, it changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. And of course, gave us a sell signal at this point. And you can see it sold for long. This is spikes trading in next 999. Okay, it sold for long and even broke out below this support zone. You can imagine during the day yesterday it bought, and when it got to the resistance zone we have to wait if it will break out above it or not. If it does not, then it will change from an uptrend into a downtrend, and right from there give us a sell signal and of course a downtrend signal, and of course guys started selling again and it sold till this point. Okay, even broke out from the last support zone. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. That is the beauty of a trend trading strategy, and that is why you need to put everything down to learn this particular strategy so that you can get the best out of it. Now let's go back to this chart, which happened to be GainX 1200. I've been following up this chart for a while. You remember we actually milked the uptrend signal when it was going up. Okay, it got to this time zone and it stood for a while, but was unable to go for long before going back up again. And of course, it was unable to break out from this resistance zone also, and it is selling right now. Okay, guys. What is the next thing for us to do? We've been given a downtrend signal already, and we've gotten some sell signals, but just because it has been pushing up, just because it went up after getting to this particular support region, okay, we need to be sure if it's going to break out from there. So that is why I drew out this trend line. Okay, you can see the trend line. I drew it out. Okay, and of course, if it breaks out below this trend line, then definitely it's going to sell more. At least this is an opportunity for you to take advantage of right away. And if it breaks out below this, it should get to this region easily. Okay, and if it breaks out below this, then you are now you can now sell more right from there. It should get to this port, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this particular spot easily. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of this opportunity right away. More details will be given in the Telegram channel. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you send message to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then,